I stopped posting after the last week of September last year, not because I ran out of video ideas or didn't have content ready, but because I realized that I was losing myself in the process. I posted 18 long form videos within approximately 8 months, and my channel was doing pretty well with under 500 subscribers. I even landed a brand deal from a well known Indian beauty brand. But I decided to step back being a beauty content creator. So today, I just want to share why I made that choice and some of the reflections that led me here. What initially inspired me to start a beauty channel is I love watch beauty videos, especially skincare, because they are so relaxing and makes me feel good when I watch them. I was really excited to do that myself. And also you get chance to get your hands on multiple products when you become a beauty content creator. I still remember the first time when I filmed myself. I was both nervous as well as excited because I was unsure if I was going in the right direction. But I was also excited to share something that I genuinely love. And I think the main motive behind this channel was I genuinely wanted to help women in some way to make them feel more confident. I know I felt more confident after learning from beauty content creators. So, the content creators in the beauty industry were real inspirations for me. Now comes the main part that why I decided to quit. So, after posting some videos, as I said that I posted some 18 long form videos on this channel and I had some insights that made me quit skincare as well as beauty. First of all, I wanted my channel to be a skincare channel focusing more on skincare. And I was also experimenting with other beauty videos like makeup and hair care, but skincare was the main focus there. Now, here are the reasons and personal insights that made me quit skincare videos. So, number one is skincare is a part of wellness. The more I had to do content research for creating content, I had to go through a lot of websites, a lot of content created by professionals. So that made me feel that skincare is a part of wellness and not to be experimented. It's better to be learned from professionals, just like health. Though I can vouch for one thing that everything I shared on this channel was after learning from health sites reviewed by professionals or content created by professionals themselves. I also tried to share the ingredient list, the whole ingredient list shared by either the product site or other trusted websites because I didn't want that my content seems to be gimmicky just by mentioning the ingredients described by the brand itself for marketing. I still love skincare, but now I know that it's not to be experimented that much. I want to experiment, but not that much. We don't need multiple products, some 8 to 10 products in a single routine. We don't need that much. I love skincare. I love to experiment with them as well. But I believe keeping it simple and minimal, not making it too complex. So if I believe that, then why should I share that much? But if I am a skincare content creator or beauty content creator, it's part of my job, right? To experiment with multiple products and then review them. I believe in simple skincare routine. So why should I share this many products and influence people to tell them that you should also use this many products? I don't find it meaningful. Anyways, everyone's skin is different. I created content after learning from other trusted websites verified by professionals or other content created by either dermatologists or estheticians, the skincare professionals themselves. But the more I started learning about skincare, I learned that everyone's skin is different. That means if one thing works for my skin, that doesn't mean that will work for you as well. Similarly, what works for you might not suit my skin, right? And this rule is applicable for a single product or a combination of products. And why I'm telling the combination of products, because we do layering of skincare, right? First comes face wash, then comes toner, moisturizer, sunscreen. This is the layering of skincare. This layering can work differently for different skin types. So, definitely, one single product or a combination of products might not suit everyone. So, if that doesn't suit everyone, and I review that, I'm telling that it's amazing for my skin, that doesn't mean that it will suit you as well. This is another thought that came in my mind. Okay, so next is marketing tactics. Now, what I mean by that is for some products, they just mention a few popular ingredients, highlight them, and this seems gimmicky. Lately, I had been experiencing so much acne. I never had such acne before, and I had to visit a dermatologist for the first time. Thankfully, it was not due to skincare products or something like that. It was due to some underlying condition. When I have been experiencing that much acne lately, I wouldn't like to experiment with that many products. So, this is another reason that I decided to quit. Again, a kind of personal insights. And this is another big reason that I decided to quit skincare content. I wanted to be myself. After making a few videos, I found myself constantly trying to meet some expectations. The expectations weren't real, weren't true. I was constantly feeling pressurized to have good skin, good hair, because I'm a skincare content creator now. I know this isn't true. I don't always have good skin. I don't always have good hair as well. Creating content felt like the person who is creating is a different persona, but not the real me, the way I am. And it happened so many times that I actually didn't like myself watching beauty videos I created, because whenever I watched them later, it felt like a different me. It looks like me, but is much different than the real me, the way I am. After filming a few videos, I actually started feeling disconnected with what I was sharing. So I wanted to be more authentic to the camera. And I wanted that people on the other side who is watching me feels connected and resonates with me. Now, let's talk about the personal reflections and lessons I learned from this journey. This part is especially helpful if you are an aspiring content creator. You definitely need to hear this. I took some time to self-reflect after I stepped back. And one practice that really helped me in this process is journaling. If you are interested, you can grab a free copy of my Notion digital journaling template below in the description box. It will help you to get started. Journaling helped me find out these lessons. Number one is definitely it was a learning curve, because when you are trying to do something new, you have to learn a lot to execute them. And when it comes to YouTube content creation, you have to learn a lot of skills: lighting, editing, how to talk to camera, SEO, and so on. The list goes on and on because there are so many things. And it definitely feels overwhelming when you are just starting out, but also incredibly rewarding as well. Number two is authenticity is essential. This is another lesson that I learned. Authenticity is basic and the most important in the content creation journey. Otherwise, it's not going to be sustainable. It's this quality that makes content creation feel much more fulfilling and aligned with who I am. And it obviously helps to connect with the persons who are on the same boat, basically. Number three is I finally gained some confidence of creating video content, which I thought earlier but couldn't start because I was so scared of creating video content. And I also realized that talking to camera is a skill in today's digital world. And this also helped me improve my communication skills, which I was really bad at. The next lesson is finding joy in creating. I learned this lesson again, which I forgot after doing these videos. One of the big reasons I started creating content is I wanted to make my work meaningful as well as enjoyable for me. So, like any other work, you have to enjoy the process. Otherwise, the work will start feeling really exhausting. Another big lesson I learned to make the work feel enjoyable is systemizing things. Why are systems so important, especially in content creation? I started systemizing things in my work, in my personal life. So, this is indeed a really big lesson for me. And the next lesson is intrinsic motivation above all. And what I mean by this is we need to have a meaningful purpose behind. I definitely wanted to do something meaningful. What I was doing before is creating beauty content and inspiring women to make them feel confident through my beauty content. And now, what I have switched to is I want to create content to support young, ambitious women in building a balanced, meaningful life. That's what truly matters to me as a woman myself. I will share content that's enjoyable, meaningful, and inspiring to me and my audience as well. I want to create content that feels fulfilling to create and it aligns with my values. So, what's coming next on this channel? I'm shifting my focus to helping young, ambitious women. Whether you are trying to build your career or working as an aspiring content creator who actually struggle finding balance and fulfillment in life. So here is what you can expect on this channel in the new era. Number one is practical self-care practices. Skincare could be there. It's a part of self-care, but I'm not going to review and experiment with many products. Number two is productivity techniques and time management things that helps live the life the way we want and do more of what matters to us. Number three is content creation things. This will be about tips, experiences, and learnings from my journey to help aspiring content creators. The main two platforms will be Pinterest and YouTube. By large, on this channel, I will share everything from personal growth to strategies that I'm learning along the way that's going to help you. So, we girls can build the life we love. So, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned if any of these aspects resonate with you. Deeply grateful for your support. You have helped me gain the confidence to keep going. In the upcoming video, I will show you how to start a digital journal in Notion to help you get the most out of this Notion template I linked in the description box. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.